beauties. Ah, hey, so this is the first time I've done a live here from this far out down in the Free Spirit Centre. I didn't know whether I'd have internet connection, but hey. Oh, if you're joining me, say hi. We can all join together on this beautiful spring morning. Wow, so I just felt to share a little bit about releasing the narrative. And when we experience suffering, so this can be, really subtle, or obviously it can be, really manifest. But whatever that is, it's presenting an opportunity for us. So usually the instinct of the mind ego is to repel and fight against and be in a position of judgment. But what is happening is there is a purging of patterns so that we are given the opportunity to release patterns that we have combined ourselves with. So it's an opportunity for us to remain as awareness and just look and realize that we are witness to these patterns. What is coming up for release? Suffering can only come for the idea that we hold of ourselves. And as we dissolve the ideas that we hold of ourselves, we effortlessly realize our unbound awareness. And through that realization that you're none of these shapes, they're just things that you've picked up in your manifest experience here in this beautiful journey as life, through childhood experience, collective consciousness, all these different shapes we pick up, don't we? Wow. But this is our opportunity to witness that it's an experience, but it's just like the waves, but we're returning as the ocean. So all these shapes, it's not our inherent awareness. They're just these sort of changeful waves of consciousness. And yet, our unbound awareness that witnesses these waves is stable. So this realization effortlessly then blossoms peace and joy and bliss. There's actually no effort involved. It's natural. It's our normal state of being. We have just combined ourselves with so many illusions, haven't we? We've just combined ourselves with so many patterns of consciousness, and this is our opportunity together, and how awesome it is that we can look together like this, and just how beautiful that is, as in a circle when we're working on this profound level together, we can acknowledge through each other how the mind works, and to remain as unbound awareness together, and just normalizing that as our everyday life. Just such joy, such bliss. So sending love to you, and feel free to comment and continue this discussion. I thought a lovely little pigeon was just about to come in and join us in satsang. And it's it's that realization that we have ideas of what awakening is, don't we? And we can create all sorts of visions about what that can look like. But nothing, no words can. I'm just pointing here, But as we realise that which we can never not be, just nothing and everything and such joy, such joy. So I'm just going to pan around here and just show you how beautiful the world is today. Hello. Did you see that beautiful little pigeon? Hey, so whatever's happening with you today, wherever you are, you know, in your emotions and your thoughts, whatever's happening there in your body. Know that you're witness to that. It's just a changeful experience, and yet that awareness which witnesses all these changes cannot be bound. But just take this opportunity to just now, now is your time. If you're here with me now, it's your time. Just look within and just allow your story of where you've been, who you are, before you've come to sit together here in this little spontaneous satsang. Just allow your story to dissolve. And any projections that you're holding about the future, allow that to dissolve as well. And any ideas that you're holding about this present moment, any expectations, thoughts, feelings, emotions, allow those to just dissolve. Allowing everything to dissolve so that you remain unbound. Just allowing thoughts and feelings and memories and sensations just to pass like waves. Yet you're witnessing this as the unbound ocean. So I'm just going to sort of inquire with you here. So as this state, this wordless state which witnesses all these things pass, does this feel confined or does it feel open? Can there be separation here? As the ocean that witnesses all these waves pass, is there anything to fix or solve about those waves, or do we just witness them pass? As we just remain uncombined, witnessing these shapes pass. Is there anything to judge? Can there be separation? Just allow everything to dissolve as this experiential recognition. From where you're looking from, allowing all else to dissolve. Is this new, or has this always been here? Can it ever leave? See, we're so used to picking up those changeful ways of consciousness that we forget where we're looking from, and then we experience the sense that of the seeker mentality, of the high mind, that there's something to manifest, to fix, to solve, to judge, another retreat to do, another book to read, another master to follow, all of this, because we've combined ourselves with shapes. Yet we can confirm together that our unbound awareness, we're already there, timelessly, formlessly, all is here, all is well. So I'm just going to, those of you that join me, just leave you now to continue remaining, continue looking, releasing these shapes, realising that which you can never not be. through this week effortlessly radiate peace and joy and bliss. Effortlessly. Effortless compassion. Because we're one. So, whoever you are, wherever you are, we're already one. Just remembering that. Sending love from me here. Just pan round again at what's happening today. It's just so beautiful. Gratitude for all that you are and all that you can never not be.